Here you have a Mini Titan powered transfer cart from Green Valley Manufacturing. It's one of the most versatile, efficient, and safe carts on all manufacturing floors. Driving the Mini Titan is efficient and intuitive with the use of the tiller handle. To operate the drive feature on a Mini Titan, your tiller handle must be between a 15 and 80-degree angle. Anything less than 15 or greater than 80 will enable the electric brake as a safety feature. At 15 degrees, you will hear an audible click, which enables the drive feature. At 80 degrees, you will hear another audible click, which disables the drive feature. The tiller handle features ergonomic drive paddles for easy acceleration, raise and lower controls for the deck, a safety horn, as well as a belly button switch that is designed to protect the operator from injury. The magnetic pendant controls the deck push-pull system as well as the raise and lower feature. Optionally, this can be controlled by the tiller handle. The side-shifting push-pull deck feature makes aligning the cart with the press or storage efficient and reliable. A fully customized Mini Titan is strong and durable enough to withstand any working environment. Click or call to learn how Green Valley Manufacturing can develop custom solutions for all your mold and die handling needs. Faster, stronger, safer, Green Valley.